Dodge Tomahawk. The Dodge Tomahawk is a non-street legal concept vehicle which made its debut at the 2003 North American International Auto Show. It has a very unique appearance, as its outsized displacement 10-cylinder car engine and its 4 close-coupled wheels may take some getting used to. It features an exciting independent suspension on all 4 wheels, designed to allow the rider to counter-steer and lean into turns. And it is powered by a 500 horsepower 8.3-liter V10 SRT10 engine, repurposed from the Dodge Viper. The Tomahawk has been rumored to reach speeds of up to 420 miles an hour and 0 to 60 miles in about 2.5 seconds. Although these rumors have never really been fully substantiated, and the only verifiable speeds the Tomahawk has reached hover around 100 miles an hour, it is still one of the most promising concept vehicles to have come out in recent years. Full Moon. This vehicle earns its spot on this list for several reasons. The first of which is the phenomenal reception it got as it was unveiled by Akrapovic at the Bad Salzuflen Custom Bike Show in Germany. It was created as a collaboration between Slovenian Dream Machine Motorcycles and Akrapovic, and it features a very distinct 30-inch front wheel made from aluminum and carbon, which gives the bike its name. The Full Moon is powered by an SNS Knucklehead 1524cc engine with 2 modified custom-made Akrapovic exhausts. Note that there is no separate exhaust system here, as it is all part of the bodywork from frame to body. Everything is made of sheet metal with fully automated steering, which has no visible cables. Honda Riding Assist. The Honda Riding Assist is one of the brightest stars of the new age. It made its debut at the 45th Tokyo Motor Show to near universal acclaim, and it features an innovative self-balancing technology which works with assistive robotic technology to give riders the most comfortable ride possible on a motorcycle. Thanks to this technology, the Honda Riding Assist can help relieve some of the stress associated with driving in heavy traffic, and it is especially helpful in ultra-low-speed situations which test a rider's ability to balance. The Honda Riding Assist represents the company's latest attempt to create vehicles in line with its vision of enjoying the freedom of mobility in a carbon-free society. BMW Motorrad Concept Link. The BMW Motorrad Concept Link made its debut at the Competition of Elegance of Villa d'Este in 2017, and it immediately struck audiences with its redefinition of the concept of urban mobility. It was created to link the digital and analog world and combine the concepts of driving and communications into one wholesome package. The Concept Link works with the use of a touch-sensitive display panel, which projects all relevant information to the driver's field of vision, and an electric motor and energy packs attached to the back wheel and underfloor respectively. You also get extra storage space between the seat and the bottom of the scooter, accessible through a sliding door near the seat. BMW Alpha. The BMW Alpha is the premier motorcycle in its class. It is the product of the mind and hands of Mehmet Doruk Erdem and Mark Atkinson, and it well reflects the expertise of these two masters. It features a sleek rolling chassis that expands upon the theme of clean lines and aerodynamic design, and other parts of the motorcycle are put together with care and precision that could only be intentional. The bodywork is handmade, and the brakes and shifter were both customized to fit perfectly into this new design. Other impressive features include a center hub pivot, as well as a bell crank steering system and a hand-machined aluminum linkage. If you're the type of rider with a need for speed, a turbo booster is also available to support the K75's 740cc inline 3-cylinder BMW engine. Tron Bike. If you're a movie enthusiast and you found yourself watching Tron Legacy with a wistful air, well, this might be the day your dreams come true. You can now ride Tron Bike in real life, and what's even better is that it is street legal. Created by the Parker brothers, the new Tron Bike is an amazing reimagining of the light cycle, and it features a steel chassis wrapped around an electric mill and covered in high-grade aero carbon fiber bodywork. characteristic lighting, electroluminescent strips are attached to the lines and rims of the motorcycle, while a 96-volt motor and lithium-ion batteries gives this vehicle the light cycle's blinding speed. These batteries charge at light speed, reaching full capacity in less than 40 minutes, and giving the rider a range of 100 miles. You can purchase a standard version of the Neutron at prices starting from $55,000. Kawasaki J Concept. The Kawasaki J Concept made its debut at the 2013 Tokyo Motor Show, where it captivated audience with its unique design and forward-thinking approach to engineering. This three-wheel battery-powered transforming vehicle resembles a Star Trek prop, with its unique ability to transform into various riding positions and its sharp aggressive style, reminiscent of Kawasaki motorcycles. The J Concept offers riders a choice of different riding positions: a comfort mode, which is popular with users who prefer a more upright stance, and the attack mode designed for users with a more aggressive style of riding. These different positions are enabled by changes in rear angle, step position, and handle position. And the J Concept also features two separate handlebars, which function for each front wheel, as well as a heads-up display and adjustable ride modes. Lazareth LMV 496. The Lazareth LMV 496 will bring your interest in motorcycle riding back from the dead. This unique motorcycle can transform into a flying vehicle from a motorcycle and vice versa. Although the term flying might be a bit of a misnomer, as this motorcycle can only hover about 3.3 feet above the ground, the LMV 496 makes up for it with four 96,000 RPM JetCat turbines, which provide about 529 pounds of thrust. It has a kerosene tank that provides enough fuel to lift the Lazareth for a few breathtaking minutes, while the dashboard gives you all the relevant flight information you need to enjoy these moments to the fullest. If you like the thought of Lazareth-assisted flight, you may want to start saving up, as only 5 copies of the LMV 496 will ever be made, and each unit costs a whopping $500,000 to purchase. Yamaha Motoroid. In the year 2040, human transport will be radically different. In fact, we project that your daily driver may just resemble the Yamaha Motoroid. This futuristic motorcycle is a concept vehicle which has AI as its main attraction. It was inspired by the Japanese concept of kando, a deep spiritual feeling of inspiration and satisfaction. Its sleek design well complements this aesthetic, as the Motoroid features chrome battery cells that look like canisters beneath the rider's seat, as well as a haptic human-machine interface that wraps around the hips and adds to the riding experience. On the tech side, the Motoroid features an image recognition AI system, Yamaha's exclusive MSys self-balancing technology, as well as a self-driving technology that gives you the ability to call for the Motoroid to come to you and follow you. BMW Motorrad Vision Next 100. The Vision Next 100 concept was unveiled to almost unanimous praise in Los Angeles in 2016. It was well-deserved praise, as the Vision Next 100 blends all the stylings of a vehicle from the future with a characteristic BMW flair. Continuing the current trend of environmentally friendly products, the Vision Next produces no emissions and features a unique self-balancing design that makes this motorcycle a joy to ride. It presents a unique opportunity for safer rides for beginners, as well as a more dynamic riding experience for experts, since they no longer have to focus so much of their attention on trying to keep the bike steady. Another feature of the Vision Next 100 is the interaction between the rider and the environment via the visor, a convenient piece of technology that captures relevant information from the surroundings and projects it directly into the rider's field of vision.